Hi everyone, my name is Beth Magyar and I am the Student Enrollment Manager at the Institute for Field Research, and I'm here to give a quick tutorial about how to apply to our Vera Campbell Scholarship. In order to access all of this information, you'll navigate to our homepage at ifrglobal.org, select our menu bar at the top, and then click on our Scholarships tab. A few things about this page. We have included information about our Vera Campbell Scholarship up at the top. However, if you're not eligible for the scholarship, I recommend that you continue scrolling, and we've included search engines and directories, as well as a couple of external scholarships that I highly recommend that you look at. In regards to the Vera Campbell Scholarship, this is offered specifically to students from CSULA from any major or degree program. The scholarship offers up to $5,000 in financial support, as well as mentorship sessions and a few extra resources that will support you before, during, and after your field school. You can read a little bit more through these tabs. Please note that this scholarship is due by March 19th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. In order to apply, you'll select this Apply Now button, and it will take you into your application portal. So you'll navigate to an application for this upcoming season in 2023. This will open up an entirely new application for you, and you will go to the Please select the program you are applying for, and scroll down to the Vera Campbell Promise Scholarship, and you'll see that this application changes to meet the requirements of the scholarship application. You'll need to include an essay as well as a recommendation and an unofficial transcript. Your recommendation letter will need to be in by the 19th at the absolute latest. If you have any other questions or have trouble with the application, please reach out to us at info@ifrglobal.org, and we're really excited to see your applications come in and work with you guys this summer. Thanks.